eQuote is like an e-commerce page. From here, clients can request quotes in a simpler and more efficient way. Instead of transcribing and creating quotes by hand, use Osmos eQuote. Installing eQuote is easy. You only need to access your website and copy-paste these 2 lines into the code. You can display your eQuote as a pop-up or within your page. If you don't have a website, we can host your eQuote with us. Contact us. Once the code is in your website, all customization is made from here. eQuote has many functions. You can turn it on and off. You can display or hide prices. You can set it up to send quotes as soon as the eQuote form is submitted. You can display your product and services images as if it was an e-commerce site. You can also avoid duplicates using your email. If you offer delivery, you can show this option. If you offer services, you can show availability in real time. You have the option to ask clients to enter a quantity to be quoted or just select the product or service. These are additional fields that can be presented to clients. The email, name, and a phone number are always the default and required fields for the quote. You can customize the title sections and use a thank you page. You can as well create a survey or questionnaires for your eQuote. Create your question, add an icon or graphic, choose a style of answer, add the possible answers, decide if it's required, and click on Add.